Alright, so let's solve this question, guys. If you want, you can just pause the video and give this a try, and then you can resume the video to look at its solution. Okay, so it's a very simple question. We have been given log of 5 to the base 3 on the left hand side. This is equal to log of 2 plus x to the base 5 on the right hand side. Now guys, let's come to think of it. If this was log of 3 to the base 3, the value would have been 1, isn't it? Or if the 5 would have been replaced by, or if the 5 was replaced by 9, the value would become log of 9 to the base 3. And we know 3 square is 9. That means this value is 2. This tells you that log of 5 to the base 3 will be greater than 1 and it will be less than 2, right? Because if you reduce 5 to 3, the value becomes 1, log of 3 to the base 3, log of 3 to the base 3. And if you increase the value of 5 to 9, this value log of 9 to the base 3 becomes 2. So the left hand side clearly lies between 1 to 2. And that is why your right hand side also will lie between 1 and 2. So I can clearly say 1 is less than log of 2 plus x to the base 5 and log of 2 plus x to the base 5 is less than 2. Now, if log of 2 plus x to the base 5 was equal to 1, then that means we would have said 2 plus x would be 5 raised to 1 or x would be equal to 3. But log of 2 plus x to the base 5 is greater than 1. That means x is also definitely greater than 3. Similarly, guys, if log of 2 plus x to the base 5 was equal to 2. So converting this in the indices form, we could say 2 plus x would be 5 square. That means x is 25 minus 2, that is 23. But log of 2 plus x to the base 5 is not equal to 2. It is given as less than 2. So definitely x also is less than 23. And this is my D option. Very simple question. You just need to use the basics of logs to answer this question. And that's how we do it. The correct answer is option D.